Click on the link below to get price. The Suncast 8x7 outdoor storage shed is an impressive addition for anyone seeking a reliable, spacious, and durable solution for outdoor organization. Constructed with high-quality resin, this shed is both weather-resistant and maintenance-free, making it ideal for various climates. One of the standout features is its robust design, which includes a sturdy floor that facilitates easy access and keeps your items elevated from moisture. Assembly is relatively straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and pre-cut pieces. It took about a few hours for 2 people to complete the setup, and the result is a solid structure that feels secure and stable. The shed's dimensions provide ample storage space for lawn equipment, gardening tools, outdoor furniture, or seasonal decorations without feeling cramped. The double doors open wide, making it easy to store and retrieve larger items, while the integrated venting system enhances airflow to prevent mold and mildew on your belongings. Additionally, the shed's neutral color ensures that it blends seamlessly into any backyard aesthetic. However, it's important to note that while the resin material is durable, it may not be as robust as metal sheds in terms of security. For those with valuable equipment, additional locking mechanisms could provide peace of mind. The lack of windows might also be a drawback for some, as it limits natural light inside the shed. Overall, the Suncast 8x7 outdoor storage shed is an excellent option for those looking for a practical and efficient storage solution. Its combination of space, ease of assembly, and resilience makes it a worthy investment for homeowners. Whether you're decluttering your garage or organizing your garden tools, this shed offers a functional and stylish way to keep your outdoor space tidy and organized.